Manen jatend migao mar arita Dr. Fred Matiang'i okichore gi chien bedo jakanyo maduong' bura mar Jubilee mopogore gi kaka jagoro maduong' mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni osebedo kalando ni Matiang'i dhi laro kom tend piny Kenya kod otiko mar Jubilee. Walter Nyambaga nigi mathoth.
Some have actually owned you in the Jubilee party.
Twak mare kotongwang jowi mar Citizen TV Tino Manyoro, Dr. Fred Matiang'i yango ni pokolero ni odhi laro kom tend piny Kenya kod duond bura mane kendo gisani enie mbaka kod jotend duond buche bura magilalore godo. Weche Matiang'i oweyo ka jagoro maduong' mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni neno nyalija kaluwore ni osebedo ka olemo wach ni Matiang'i jakanyo mar duond bura mar Jubilee kendo odhi fwadho bendech duond bura mar Jubilee yiero maduong' mabiro.
It is flattering that you have political leaders in so many political parties sitting down in their executive committees and in their groups and saying maybe Fred Matiang'i should be our candidate, even before I ask them. And they come over to ask me, can you be our candidate? I don't want to close the door on anyone. I want to have very comprehensive, inclusive, exhaustive discussions with everyone. Then we come together and work on a coalition. I have all these people in 7, 8, 9 parties asking me, can we work together? Can you be our candidate? And I want to put them all together.
So as you speak right now, are you a member of any political party?
Well, as I said, I will disadvantage others if I joined and signed up with one political party. I'm holding discussions across the board with many.
Dr. Fred, please answer my question. Are you a member of any political party today?
Not yet.
Matiang'i mosebedo ka isayo kuom rochore kod jong'anyo mane ibago e pacho ka kod kweth mar NASA mane otelie kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga. Matiang'i okichore gi chien ni ne otemo mana geng'o tulo pacho ka. Kindego bende opoyo mane en jatend migao mar arita kwe Kithure Kindiki kuom tije makare kapok obedo jalup jatend piny. Kata kamano, Matiang'i owicho wuoyo wang' Kipchumba Murkomen giwi kaka otayo yore mag thiro ng'anyo pacho ka.
But not in a case where there is a possibility and a likelihood of destruction of property as it were. You see, the difference is this. Gen Z have been saying all along, even from the beginning, that they will have peaceful demonstrations. And they have had peaceful demonstrations. There would be nobody in 2017 who would guarantee us of a peaceful demonstration. In fact, the leaders of the opposition then didn't say we are going to have peaceful demonstrations. They would use a very threatening language every time they are going to have demonstrations. It's a remarkable difference between the reality then and the reality now. The training of our police and the behavior of our police is not cast out, or we don't train police in Kenya to kill citizens. The theory of policing in Kenya is for the preservation of law and order.
Weche mamiene thoe mag ji mane yudo ringre gi aora mayala. Matiang'i okonine ochiwo thuolo mar nonro kendo lepodono ne opwodhe kata ne oserume apisi.
People start playing a song with two stanzas, Riwayara, Ruarakaland, and so on, and you see it repeated over and over again. We demanded an inquest. At the National Security Council, we asked for an inquest. Can we go into this matter and find out what's happening? The DCI and the police told us, fortunately for us, their bodies. Let us get the families to claim the bodies, then we build the stories from there. We open the file, we take statements from the families so that we understand the circumstances under which these people disappeared and the circumstances under which their bodies were found in Riwayara. By the time we were leaving government, the file was open. It was not closed at that particular time because investigations were going on. And that's why I keep saying every time, what happened with the file? I didn't live with the file. In any case, I would have nothing to do with the file as a cabinet minister. That was a police matter.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.